Do you want to know?
Hi lovelies, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by and checking out this video. So today's video, I'm going to show you how I twist and trim my hair. To do this, I'm going to be using my cream, scissors, rattle comb, and a wild tooth comb, and a spray bottle. Inside the spray bottle, I have almond oil and water. Okay, let's get started. So as you can see, I have almost finished twisting the hair, okay? This is 2-strand twist. So the hair is almost finished and I do not want the video to be too long, okay? So I just cut out this part to use for the video. And I'm going to show you exactly what I have done to the other parts, okay? So right now I'm going to comb my hair. If you know me on this channel, I hardly comb or brush my hair. But I am doing this for the sake of the trim, okay? So I can get the dead ends well. Yes. Just to mention the few. Hair trimming helps remove nasty looking split ends. It helps with hair breakage. The process helps remove damaged hair and makes styling much easier, and rough ends are limited. Trimming also makes your hair look much thicker and healthier right from the roots. So lovelies, if you are looking forward to having a healthy hair, you must consider trimming your hair when needed, okay? It's been like 6 months I trimmed my hair last. But what I do oftentimes is to dust my ends. Okay, I dust my ends mostly than trimming it. And this also helps you to keep your hair healthy. Okay, so what I'm trying to say is that for you to go for healthy hair, you must get those dead ends off your hair. Okay, yes. Without much explanation, you can literally see where the dead ends are. Okay, yes. At the point where the hair fades. That is it, okay? I'll just without messy, I'll just cut it off. Yeah, yay! So this is exactly what I'm going to be doing to the rest of the hair, okay? Twist and trim. Twist and trim. Yeah, just keep watching. I've been laid back, yeah. I don't wanna skip steps, you know that. So if you're with it, then say yeah. I just need a little bit of patience. You need me, I know that you've been waiting. Down my number twice, promise I'll pick up the line. I see you worried, don't gotta ask why. You like it, I know that you like it. You like it, yeah, you like it. I know that you like it, you like it. You said that you were down just yesterday, hoping you'll stick around and wait for me. I see you wanna come up, but don't switch up on me. Yeah, I know that you, I know that you, I know that you, I know that you. You said that you were down, hoping you'll stick around, hoping you'll be around for me. You said that you were down, 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 down. Yeah, you just always let it try to rush things. You just always let it try to can't wait. You just always let it try to can't wait for me. It's been a mess and I'm trying to dial back. Can you stick through it with me or not? And it might take a minute, but we'll get it. The type of love that you want. Like it, I know that you like it. You like it, yeah, you like it. I know that you like it. You like it. You said that you were down just yesterday, hoping you'll stick around and wait for me.
like it. You just always been a tighter rush that I've been laid back, yeah. I don't wanna skip steps, you know that. So if you're with it, then say yeah. I just need a little bit of patience. You need me, I know that you've been waiting. Down my number twice, promise I'll pick up the line. I see you worried, don't gotta ask why. You like it, I know that you like it. You like it, yeah, you like it. I know that you like it, you like it. You said that you were down just yesterday, hoping you'll stick around and wait for me. I see you wanna come up, but don't switch up on me. Yeah, I know that you, I know that you, I know that you, I know that you. You said that you were down, hoping you'll stick around, hoping you'll be around for me. You said that you were down, you said that you were down, you said that you were down, you said that you were down. Yeah, you just always been a type to rush things. You just always been a type that can't wait. You just always been a type that can't wait for me. It's been a mess and I'm trying to dial back. Can you stick through it with me or not? And it might take a minute, but we'll get it. The type of love that you want, like it. I know that you like it, you like it, yeah, you like it. I know that you like it, you like it. You said that you were down just yesterday, hoping you'll stick around and wait for me. I see you wanna come up, but don't switch up on me. Yeah, I know that you, I know that you, I know that you, I know that you. You said that you were down, hoping you'll stick around, hoping you'll be around for me. You said that you were down just yesterday, hoping you'll stick around and wait for me. I see you wanna come up, but don't switch up on me. Yeah, I know that you, I know that you, I know that you, I know that you. You said that you were down, hoping you'll stick around, hoping you'll be around with me. You said that you were down, 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 down. I know that you like it. I know that you, I know that. You just always been a type to rush that I've been laid back, yeah. I don't wanna skip steps, you know that. So if you're with it, then say yeah. I just need a little bit of patience. You need me, I know that you've been waiting. Down my number twice, promise I'll pick up the line. I see you worried, don't gotta ask why. You like it, I know that you like it, you like it, yeah, you like it. I know that you like it, you like it. You said that you were down just yesterday, hoping you'll stick around and wait for me. I see you wanna come up, but don't switch up on me.
Oh my God, just look at that. It looks so nasty. Okay, as you can see, the trimmed ones looks better and beautiful and healthier. Oh my god. The worst thing about this, if you leave your hair thinking that your hair is long and you are retaining those dead ends, damaging your hair badly that you won't like. So most time people say that their hair is not growing. It could be that you are not getting off the dead ends. Yeah.
Yeah, I know that I know that I know that I know that you said that you were down, hoping you'll stick around, hoping you'll be around for me. You said that you were down, you said that you were down, you said that you were down, you said.
Oh my god, can you see how beautiful my ends look right now? That's amazing. Oh my god, finally I am done twisting and trimming my hair. Look at how beautiful my hair looks. Oh my god, that's lovely. Okay guys, so that'll be all from me today, and I hope you did enjoy this video. If you do, be kind enough to share with your family and friends, and let me know what you think about the video at the comment section, and I will see you in my next one. As always, thanks for watching. More so, if you have not subscribed to this channel and you like the channel, go ahead and subscribe, okay, and turn on the bell for notifications so that anytime I upload new video, you'll get notifications. And I'll see you in my next one. Thank you so much for watching up to this time. God bless you and bye.